question number 21. Simultaneous equation, but we've got quadratic terms up here. There's no way by adding or subtracting one from the other we are going to eliminate either an x or a y. What you've got to recognize that the second equation tells you what y is equal to in terms of x. If you swap that y for that expression, replacing y with 2x plus 5, you've now got an equation involving only x which you can solve. First thing we need to do is expand this bracket. Remember, this means 2x plus 5 times 2x plus 5. So we've got x squared. This bracket expands to give 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 5 lots of 2x is 10x. You've got another 5 lots of 2x, so altogether that's 20x, and the 5 times the 5 is 25. If we take away 25 from both sides, then they disappear. And if we collect together the 2x squared terms, we have 5x squared plus 20x equals 0. Okay, this is a quadratic equation, but it's not a 3-term quadratic. There's no number on the end, so this one doesn't go into two brackets. We have a look and see what do these two divide by. They both divide by 5 and by x, so we can have a single bracket where we take out a common factor of 5x and we have x plus 4 inside. So we've got this times this equals 0, so either that one has to be 0 or that one has to be 0. And now you've got two linear equations which you can solve to get your values of x. X equals 0 or x equals minus 4. For each of these x values there is a corresponding y value. You take the x values, substitute them back into one of these equations and use that to work out y. I'm going to substitute them into y equals 2x plus 5 because I think that's probably a bit easier. Swap the x with 0. 2 times 0 plus 5 is 5. So when x is 0, y is 5. Do the same thing for x equals minus 4. 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. So when x is minus 4, y equals minus 3. And you must make sure that you get them matched up correctly. So it was 5 came from 0 and minus 3 came from minus 4.